glorify you and everything we do. It's in your son's name we pray. Amen. Amen. We're going to break on Enoch right here. Let's get it. Hey, Enoch on three. Enoch on three. 1, 2, 3. Enoch. Let's go to work. Red team, baby.
Turn up break. Get that turn up break. Hey, let's go. Red team on 3. Be loud. 1, 2, 3. Red team.
Let's go to work. Ready? That's a great call. Squeeze.
Hey, let's do the pitch. Keep going. There you go, John Payne.
You've got no time. I don't care. Get your head on the ground and get ready to go. And I don't care how many 5 stars we have, how many guys are being offered by this, that, and the other. Bottom line is at 7 o'clock every Friday night when the lights are on, it's about us and this team that will ultimately win football games. That's why I love this game. It's the ultimate team game. It's the ultimate team game.